The worst natural disasters of last centuries. Let's discover. Bola Cyclone, 1970, the deadliest tropical cyclone in history. Hit Bangladesh, then East Pakistan, and India. Between 300,000 and 500,000 people perished in the storm surge. Indian Ocean Tsunami, 2004, a powerful earthquake triggered a 30-meter-high tsunami. It devastated the coastlines of 14 countries. Over 230,000 people lost their lives, making it one of the most catastrophic tsunamis in modern history. Mount Tambora eruption, 1815, the most powerful volcanic eruption in modern history. 1816 became the year without summer, causing crop failures and famine worldwide. Over 71,000 people died due to the eruption and its aftermath.